Hello everyone, this is Ishita Gupta and I have secured AIR 154 in UPSC CSE 2023 examination. This was my second attempt and in my first attempt I could not clear my mains examination. So the major focus of my this year's attempt was on improving my mains performance. At this critical juncture, I discovered Satyam Jain sir and his initiative of Understand UPSC that had been a turning point in improving my mains marks to a wide extent. For reference purposes, I scored 67 in essay in 2022 attempt, while I was able to increase this score to 110 marks in essay in 2023. And in doing so, the guidance of Satyam sir helped me a lot. His perspectives on how to write essays from a human perspective, how our primary focus should be more on arguments than over focusing on examples, and then writing essays on realistic topics that are actually being asked in UPSC were the key pointers that helped me improve my essay performances. Along with that, the major focus on PYQ writing rather than using some random questions or focusing on PYQs, getting their answers from certain qualified and certain people who had already qualified the exams, and having mentorship sessions, having sessions with the peers where they discuss some good points also helped a lot. Thirdly, there were discussions of toppers copy. For example, in ethics session, we discussed Vishakha Yadav ma'am's copy, who scored around 160 marks in ethics, helped me greatly in adding value to my content and understanding how actually answers in UPSC are written. So I feel that this kind of guidance that I got in my mains helped me to improve my scores. Secondly, I scored 200 marks in my interview, and a major credit for that as well goes to Satyam sir, because I think there are two reasons for that. At a personal level, my interview was on 3rd of January that and the date sheet came on 19th of December. So probably I get about 14 days, just 14 days to prepare for my interview, and in such a less span of time, preparing for interview seemed impossible to me at that time. But the work that Satyam sir already began on us right from when our mains ended helped me a lot. So even before our mains results were declared, he asked all of us to fill our DAFs, to start preparing notes on that, and he took live sessions to guide us how we can do that. So even before our mains results, we had our DAFs ready on what hobbies and what things, other things we would fill, and what notes should we prepare on that. Secondly, he conducted various newspaper sessions on how to analyze current affairs from an interview perspective, from a more human perspective, on how critical questions are to be answered on certain sensitive issues that can be most probably discussed in interview, helped me immensely. Thirdly, mock sessions with Satyam sir right before interview, where he asked realistic questions, some of the questions which almost got repeated in the real interview, helped me boost my confidence as well as prepare better structured and well knowledgeable answers for those questions. So a big credit for my success goes to Satyam sir. Thank you so much sir, and I would like to wish all the best to all the aspirants who are in this community, to and I would just suggest them to gain as much as possible from this amazing mentor. He would just require a lot of hard work from your side. Given that you do that hard work, he would support you till the end in your success journey. Thank you so much.